Hello everyone! Welcome to another Hero Design channel tutorial. In this video, we are going to check the artificial intelligence of Flux Pro and produce attractive posters and images by this powerful artificial intelligence. To access this AI tool, you must first log on to fluxpro.art. As you can see on this site, you can see images produced by different people from this section. And from this part, you can specify the site to show us the images produced in the last year, last month, last week, or last day. And from this section, you can specify that the top images or the images that have been produced recently will be shown to us. Here, we have different categories. For example, if I click on a poster, it will show us the posters produced by different people and with the help of Flux Pro artificial intelligence. Or for example, if I click on the logo, accordingly, you can see the generated logos in this section. But how can we write our own prompt and produce our own desired poster or image? First, we need to log on to Flux Pro website. For this purpose, by clicking on Login, a window will open where we can log in to the Flux Pro website using our Gmail account. Of course, since I have already done this before, it does not show me the login steps through the Gmail account and it enters the site directly. Very well, to create images, it is enough to click on the Create button and here we can write our prompts. And by the use of options that exist in this section, we can specify the details of our generated work. The first option is related to the aspect ratio, from which we can determine the ratio of the images. 1 by 1 becomes the square images, and in the same way 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, which are the dimensions of the story, and other ratios that we can choose from this section are all available. From the safety section, we can choose 4 options: safe, mild, mature, and explicit. And if you click on the safety option, it will show us the description of the conditions of using these options. If we want to briefly explain, by selecting the safe option, our prompt will be generated in a way that is suitable for people under 18. But the other options are suitable for the legal age, and you can have different outputs by choosing each of those options. The next option is related to the steps that we can specify the number of steps. Guidance is the same way, and from the seed part, we can determine the variety of images that are produced. Now, let's write a simple prompt and see the results we want to see by Flux Pro. Well, I will write a simple prompt first. Okay, as you can see here, I have written this. Minimalist Spider-Man movie poster with the words Spider-Man on the bottom. In fact, this prompt consists of 2 parts. The first part is an explanation about the style and atmosphere of the poster, and in the second part, we wanted to display the word Spider-Man at the bottom of the poster. Well, let's go to the settings of this section. I want the generated image to have a 9 by 16 aspect ratio. I set the safety mode to safe, the number of steps to 25, the guidance to 3, and the seed to random. By clicking on Generate, we wait for it to show us the result in less than 15 seconds. Well, as you can see, considering that we also selected the safe option, it shows us such an output. This is a minimal poster related to Spider-Man, plus the word Spider-Man written at the bottom of the poster. Now, this time we set the safety option to mature and click on Generate to see how the result will be different from safe mode. As you can see, this time the result is shown to us in more details, and you can feel the difference compared to the safe mode. Of course, you can feel different results by changing the step, guidance, and seed values. Now, let's go to a more complete prompt with more details. to see how complete and accurate the quality of the images produced by Flux Pro can be. Well, I have already written the prompt in advance so that the video does not take up time, and I will paste it in this part. As can be seen from the prompt, we want to design a poster that has two characters in it, the character of Spider-Man and the character of a woman in a police uniform. There is a prison and a fence in space behind these characters, and the color theme and surrounding atmosphere of this poster is considered a sunset and dramatic, which, as you can see, is an almost complete prompt. And if you write your prompt in full details, you will definitely get more accurate results. Now let's go to the settings of this part. I prefer to consider the same settings. Of course, first I click on the Save option, then I hit Generate to see the results. Very well, as we can see, it produced such attractive posters and is very precise and professional. And if you pay attention, the details are fully observed, and we can get other different results by choosing other options and changing the settings of this part. You can test any of these options yourself and get very attractive results according to the prompt you write. So let's go to the next prompt. Well, I will paste the next prompt as well. As you can see in this prompt, we are going to design a poster with red and gray color space with the character of a female sniper. Well, we wrote this prompt like the previous prompt with full details, and with the same settings that exist here, I click on Generate to see the results. Very well. As you can see, it shows us this output which is really attractive, very accurate, and with full detail. And you can create different and more interesting results by adding more complete details to your prompt. Very well, dear friends. As you have seen, we were able to produce such attractive posters and images with the help of Flux Pro artificial intelligence. Of course, you can write the prompts in full detail and get your desired results by changing the options in this section. Subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss my new videos. And also, put the prompts you write in the comment section for me so that we can all see your ideas and prompts. I hope you enjoyed this video.